This modern luxury small space backyard guest house is a stunning blend of contemporary design and functional living, perfect for guests seeking comfort and style. Exterior architectural design. Featuring clean lines and a sleek facade, the guest house makes a bold statement. Large windows invite natural light and provide beautiful views of the surrounding garden. Materials. Constructed with a mix of natural wood, metal accents, and glass, the exterior is both inviting and modern. A small, well-designed deck extends from the living area, perfect for outdoor relaxation. Landscaping. Thoughtfully landscaped with native plants and low-maintenance greenery, the outdoor space is designed for beauty and sustainability. Interior. Open concept layout. The interior maximizes space with an open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the living area, kitchenette, and sleeping space. Living area. Furnished with a stylish, convertible sofa and chic decor, the living area offers a cozy spot for relaxation or entertaining. Kitchenette. A compact yet luxurious kitchenette includes high-end appliances, sleek cabinetry, and a functional breakfast bar, making it perfect for preparing light meals. Bathroom. The bathroom features modern fixtures, a spacious shower with elegant tile work, and ample storage, providing a spa-like experience. Design aesthetics. Color palette. A calming color scheme of soft neutrals, accented by bold artwork, creates a serene atmosphere. Furniture. Carefully curated furniture combines comfort with style, enhancing the overall luxury feel of the space. Smart storage solutions keep everything organized. Technology and sustainability. Smart home features. Equipped with smart technology for lighting, heating, and security, guests can easily control their environment for ultimate convenience. Eco-friendly elements. The design incorporates energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and sustainable materials, promoting an eco-conscious lifestyle. Outdoor amenities. Relaxation space. The outdoor deck is furnished with lounge chairs and a dining area, perfect for enjoying meals al fresco or soaking up the sun. Fire pit. A stylish fire pit area creates a warm gathering spot for evening conversations under the stars. Conclusion. This modern luxury small space backyard guest house is not just a place to stay. It's an experience in comfort and elegance. Perfect for guests or as a private retreat. It embodies the essence of contemporary luxury living. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring design ideas and home improvement tips.